sun. Hold me with your hand and lead me in your righteousness, and I look to you, and I wait on you. I sing to you, Lord, a hymn for your faithfulness to me, and I carry the everlasting arms. You never let me go, and through it